see? Come and sing along with me. I see a pencil sharp and neat. It helps me write, it's really sweet. I see a crayon color so bright, creating magic in every sight. I see a chair where I can sit and listen closely, I won't forget. I see a desk, it's where I work. I keep my things and never shirk. Books and pencils, paper too, so many things I love to do. Markers, glue, and scissors too. Learning is so much fun, woohoo! I see an eraser, soft and pink. It helps me fix mistakes, I think. I see a ruler, straight and long. Measuring things helps me be strong. I see a marker, green and bright. It colors pictures, what a sight. I see a notebook full of space to write my words, it's such a grace. Books and pencils, paper too, so many things I love to do. Markers, glue, and scissors too. Learning is so much fun, woohoo! I see a clock that ticks away. It shows the time throughout the day. I see a chalkboard, black and clean. It helps me learn and makes me keen. I see some paper, smooth and bright, for drawing, writing, and sharing my delight. I see some scissors, sharp and neat, to cut and shape things, what's a treat. Books and pencils, paper too, so many things I love to do. Markers, glue, and scissors too. Learning is so much fun, woohoo! I see some glue to make things stick. It helps me craft things really quick. I see a basket where we keep all our supplies, tidy and neat. Books and pencils, paper too, so many things I love to do. Markers, glue, and scissors too. Learning is so much fun, woohoo! In my classroom, what a place. Learning here is full of grace. From pencils, books, and chairs so bright, I love my classroom day and night.
Let's learn and play together. Do subscribe for more amazing videos.